Hello teachers. In this video we will learn that how to use the lesson plan module and the syllabus scheme module. So first of all you need to log in the profile like this. I just log in the profile. Then you just scroll it and you will find the study management here. This is the study management section and here is two modules. The first one is the lesson plan and second one is the syllabus scheme. So right now we are just learn that how to use these both options. So first of all, we just have the training that how to use the lesson plan module. So first of all, we need to click on lesson plan. So जब हम lesson plan पे click करते हैं, now when we just open the lesson plan module, we find this kind of form. So it is very similar the lesson plan register you are just filling now. तो ये जो फॉर्म है आपका ये पूरा सिमिलर है जो लेसन प्लान अभी हम जो रजिस्टर है जो फिल करते हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग। ओके, सो राइट नाउ आपको जिस तरीके से हम लेसन प्लान के जो रजिस्टर था जैसे आप उसमें फिल करते थे, सिमिलरली आपको यहाँ पर भी फिल करना है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू सेलेक्ट द डेट क्राइटेरिया। सपोज आई एम जस्ट फिलिंग दिस लेसन प्लान फ्रॉम 11 to 17, so I just select the date 11 to 17 of April. Then I need to select the class, for which class I am just preparing this lesson plan. Then the section, suppose third A, or if you are just preparing this lesson plan for the both sections, you can select all also. So suppose I am just preparing for lesson section A. Then which subject, you have to select the subject. Then topic or heading, whatever you just want to put here. Suppose I just put testing heading, so testing heading. Then number of periods, whatever the number of periods you will have. Then the objectives, whatever the objective you just filled as per your requirement. So I just filled here testing objectives. Then the concept or and lesson analysis you need to fill here. So again I am just filling the testing analysis. Suggested classroom activities, I don't know that what I need to fill here, so I just put the testing material only. Like this. Then the learning aids, if you want to add anything like suggested teaching procedure. Then value based strategy or value focused, whatever you want to fill, just type it here. Or you can also use the voice to type function. आप इसको टाइप भी कर सकते हो और वॉइस टू टाइप फंक्शन जो आता है यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज़ इट. आई जस्ट शो यू हाउ टू यूज़ इट. ओके, टेस्टिंग like this. In the other, if you want to fill anything, so right now I just show you that how to use the voice to type function. So okay, so I am just preparing this video, so right now I am not able to do that. So if you want to just want to use the testing to type function, so आपको यहाँ कीबोर्ड के ऊपर एक माइक का ऑप्शन दिख रहा है. यू नीड टू होल्ड इट when the mic will open and you will need to type it here. That's all. So whatever you want to fill in this particularly thing, so you need to just testing, whatever you want to fill, just fill it. Review by subject, coordinator and the vice principal. This is the part of coordinator and the vice principal. No need to fill anything here. So after filling all the things for that particular lesson plan, after that you just click on the submit button. That's all. When you just click on submit button, it will show you inserted successfully. So this is how you need to put your lesson plan, insert your lesson plan, create your lesson plan. This is the procedure. Then if you want to see the record that what lesson plan you have submitted for the particular period, so here you can see the lesson plan record, this one. So you just need to click on it. So right now you just find, so you have to select for which class you want to see the lesson plan that's submitted by you. Select all the options, class, section and subject, and click on search button. So here you will find all the lesson plan that you have submitted. So this is how you will find all the record here. So this is the procedure that how to you fill the lesson plan and how to you can see all the things. If you need to edit anything, so there is a button for edit. This button is for the edit and this button for the delete. If you want to edit anything, click on that particular button, all the things open again. If you want to just make anything change, you just make all the changes. Then there is a submit button, click on the submit button, that's all. So like this you can just edit all the things. Or if you want to delete anything, so there is a red button, just click on it or just OK, and it will be deleted. So like this we can just prepare the lesson plan and able to see the lesson plan record. सो दिस इज़ द सिंपल मॉड्यूल. जैसे आप लेसन प्लान रजिस्टर के अंदर करते थे वैसे ही हमको सॉफ्टवेयर के अंदर करना है. सेम फील्ड्स हैं, बस उसको हम रजिस्टर के अंदर फिल करते थे, यहाँ पे हम सॉफ्टवेयर के अंदर फिल करेंगे. एंड एट द सेम टाइम द प्रिंसिपल सर एंड द कोऑर्डिनेटर मैम इज एबल टू सी योर लेसन प्लान वट एवर यू सबमिटेड. सो दिस इज़ हाउ वी नीड टू क्रिएट द लेसन प्लान. So the next module that we are going to use, that is the syllabus scheme. So just come again on the home display. So like this, again go to the syllabus study management in this, and there is a syllabus scheme. So I just click on syllabus scheme. So again I just find the pattern and find the pattern similar to the syllabus scheme register. सो प्रीवियसली जो आप यूज़ करते थे, जो सिलेबस स्कीम रजिस्टर आप यूज़ करते थे, सिमिलरली मुझे वही पूरा का पूरा आपका जो पैटर्न है वही आपको यहाँ पे you will find here. Okay, so right now what we need to do is we have to select the date. It is automatically selected किस डेट पे आप इसको सबमिट कर रहे हो. Then select the class, for which class you are submitting this particularly syllabus scheme. Then the subject name you need to select here. Then for the month, for which month you are select, you just put it here. Suppose I am just submit this syllabus scheme for April. So number of working days I will find in April, suppose 22, and number of periods I will find suppose 22 again. Chapter name, whatever the chapter we will going to cover here, you need to just put it here, all the chapter. Suppose chapter name or whatever the your procedure you are just doing, just fill all the things. Suppose I am filling like this. Then the chapter number 3 and chapter number 4. These four chapters I just going to cover, and I just need to mention the particularly exam, and this is all. We need to click on submit button. Whenever you just click on the submit button, you will find the inserted successfully. Now this syllabus scheme is submitted to principal sir. Principal sir is able to see this syllabus scheme on their profile, and if you want to see your record whatever you just submitted, so you will find the syllabus scheme record here. So you just click on it. I just click on it and you will find this particular page. So I need to select the class, for which class I am just opening this, like suppose section A, and for the subject Hindi, and click on search button. And when you just click on search button, you will find your particular record, for particularly which for you are just submitting everything. So this is how we need to use that particular syllabus record. So like this we need to use these both modules, lesson plan and the syllabus scheme. So if you all have any issue regarding this particular two modules, you just start to use it. That is very similar to the manually you will right now just you are doing with the manual register. It is very similar to that. तो जैसे आप लेसन प्लान और सिलेबस स्कीम पहले रजिस्टर में फिल करते थे, वैसे आपको सॉफ्टवेयर में फिल करनी. इट इज़ वेरी सिमिलर टू दैट, नथिंग स्पेशल इन दैट. तो आप इस तरीके से सिलेबस स्कीम एंड लेसन प्लान सबमिट कर सकते हो. इफ़ यू हैव एनी इश्यूज़, so you have the numbers, and we will also provide the support numbers to you again. उन नंबर्स पे आप कॉल करके अगर आपको कोई इशू आता है, कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है, तो यू विल आस्क योर क्यूरी एंड वी विल रिजॉल्व इट इमीडिएटली. Thank you very much teachers. I think I hope this video will helpful for you. Thank you.